Happy morning, friends. Thank you for joining today's brain gym. So, let us start our brain gym with the thanking the gurus. So, let's thank all our gurus. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Let us thank all the living gods in our life. Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atidhi Devo Bhava, Raitu Devo Bhava, Sangha Samskartu Devo Bhava. Let us pray for the peace in this world. Asato ma sargamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Once again, thank you all for joining here. Let us start our brain gym with breathing exercise. Let me switch on the video, audio. Yeah. So let us start our breathing technique, whole body activation with the breathing. So take your left palm and using a right thumb and index finger, start pinching the edges of your fingers. So pinch it, feel the pain, and inhale, abdomen breathing. So on instruction, start. Now phase 1, button press. Excuse me. Excuse me. Now button press. Now line 1, hook. Now phase 2, button. Line 2, hook. Skip the thumbs. Phase 3, button. Skip the thumbs. Now joints, hook. Now we are done with the finger therapy. It's time for palm therapy. Take your palm, take your thumb along with the edges of your palm, and we call it as energy points or meridian points. So start applying the pressure. So when you press, so feel the pain, inhale, abdomen breathe, and exhale when you release. So end with the center point. Okay. On instruction, start. Now it's time for right palm. Now it's time for, we are done with the Sujok therapy. It's time for auricular therapy. So auricular therapy is for the ears. So we have 3 cycles: outer line, middle line, and inner line. Okay. So for the outer line, we are going to pinch it using your thumb and index finger. Pinch, feel the pain, and pull. Upper pinch, upper cross, sides, and lower cross, lower. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time for middle layer. The middle layer we are going to use button press. So press it like a button, upper cross, side, lower cross, and lower. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time for inner layer. Inner layer we are going to hook it. Make a ring using a thumb and index finger. Upper hook, upper cross, side, lower cross, and lower. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time for deep breathing. Take your fist to the shoulder level and open the thumb, and using your small part of ear, the outer part. So use it as a ear cap. Don't put your thumb inside the ear. The step 1 is closing your ear. Step 2, close your eyes using a middle finger. Step 3, on the eyebrows. Step 4, connect the nose. Okay. So when I say 1, inhale, abdomen breathing. When I say 2, exhale. While exhaling, make a B sound like. Okay. So on count, we are going to do deep breathing. Close your eyes. Close your ears and eyes. Above the eyebrows, connecting nose. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Don't open your eyes. Rub your palms. Nicely generate the heat. Feel the warmth. Make a cup shape using your palms. Place it on your eyes. Feel the warmth. Take a long breath with a high energy. Hold for a second. And slowly release your breath. head down, release your palm. So start blinking your eyes and look at your palm with a beautiful smile on your face and relax. It's time for third eye activation. Take your thumb, place it on your third eye, exactly center of your forehead, in between your two eyes. Press it, feel the pain, and on count start rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Change your thumb. So on count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now it's time for stretching your eyes up, down. So on count, start. Stretch as much as possible. While doing this exercise, inhale and exhale. On count, start. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now it's time for Trataka, the most powerful exercise for the eyesight. So take your thumb, focus on the tip of your thumb and on count. So when I say 1, bring it closer to the edge of your nose, and when I say 2, so move it away. So focus on only on the tip of the thumb and don't move your head. Okay? On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now it's time for thumb rotation, and focus on the tip of your thumb. The on count, start rotating. Don't move your head, rotate your eyeballs accordingly. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now connect both the fingers, both the thumbs together, and start stretching your thumbs left and right. While stretching your thumbs, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, chain. Now connect all your fingers, and it's time to do a lazy 8 or sleeping 8. So focus on tips of your thumbs, don't move your head, and on count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now, release your fingers, reverse, cross it, connect the fingers, twist and down, twist and up, bring it closer to your chest, below your chin, and it's time for gratitude exercise. While doing this exercise, start thanking everyone and everything which is making you happy. So close your eyes, on count, start. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, chain. Now, slowly blink your eyes and open and release your hand. So, we are done with the morning first part of the brain gym. So, let us join our task brain gym activities so that we'll finish the rest of the activities. Okay? Is it fine?